So, Keis heated gloves. I'm really looking forward to this. I've never had anything heated for motorcycling before, but here we have Keis heated gloves apparel, and we've got the thing there, the premium motorcycle gloves, G601. These are the touring type of gloves. So let's cut the box open. So onto the actual gloves. So here we have Keis touring gloves. As we can see, they are nice and black. So on the left-hand glove, you've got the visor wipe, you've got the knuckle protection, which is nice. It's a long gauntlet-style glove. I think these are the things that plug into the motorbike, and I think these are the battery attachments for the batteries. As you can see, it's a gauntlet-style sort of fixing, fairly standard there. It's fairly standard there. It's got the scapula on the palm there, so if you do hit the deck, you're going to skate along, your hand will skate along and it won't block and block your wrist, break your wrist, sorry. You've got the grippy stuff for the throttle grips and clutch grips. And you've got the leather bit here, which is nice. And you've got the, that's not leather at the top, it's sort of a combination of the grippy stuff and the just normal high density nylon, but you have got the leather on the side of the palm there, extra thumb protection, extra little finger protection, and leather throughout the palm there on the thumb. And this, I think, is the pocket. Yeah, this must be the pocket. Yeah, waterproof pocket. That must be the pocket for the batteries to go in, which is there, which is lovely. And of course, these will be the on-off for the actual heat of the gloves. And the right gloves are exactly the same. Then we have the batteries that go with. So here we go. Batteries that go with. That must be the charging cable for the batteries. And these are batteries here. Cool. Nice. Okay, so we'll just put one of these up. We'll just put one in one glove, so you get a feeling for how it happens. So here we are. So. Right, they're quite chunky batteries, aren't they? Actually, they're quite chunky batteries. Guys, they're good. Yeah, 200. Right, so let's. So if you go into there, or rather, if you go into there, then you go under there, and then you go into there, which is nice. It's flashed there, which is good. So that seals that. So it's probably not a good weather seal, but if it was torrential rain, I wouldn't be wearing electric stuff anyway. You'd pack them up, and if it was torrential rain, you'd wear an old set of gloves, I think, to keep the electrics nice and safe. So here we go. Let's have a look. Let's put them on. Oh, they're wonderfully soft inside. Not sure if you can see that black on black, but wonderfully soft inside. Let's have a look then. Get on the glove in the right hand. There we are. Wonderful. Do that up, which is great. And here we are. Nice and comfortable. It majorly bends. You don't have to, normally would bend, have to bed gloves in, wouldn't you? But these are immediately comfortable, nice and soft inside. Movable panels there, flex panels into fingers, and flex panels here. Makes them really comfortable from the off, which is lovely. So let's have a look. So on. So on, red is the highest, and then we have amber, which is medium, and we have green, which is the lightest. And the microfibers, heating elements, will be at the top of the fingers and top of the palm and knuckles, which is why I suppose they can't put leather on the tops, where the heat is actually going to generate the most heat. But there we are, and already I can start to feel the warmth coming through the knuckles. Yeah, so that's instantaneous, isn't it? That's nice. So the next thing to do is try these bad boys out on the bike, isn't it? It's a sunny day, about 2 degrees. So, use the gloves now for several rides out, and I've been getting 3 hours out of the batteries. I've been having them on the green setting because I haven't needed them on any other setting. They've been plenty warm enough. There's one time I forgot to turn them on, and I was going from Colchester up to Harwich, 70 miles an hour, and it was about 2-3 degrees, and I didn't notice, my hands didn't get cold. The gloves themselves are really, really warm. They have a very good construction setup. They've got a breathable outer shell, and then they've got a wind blocking membrane, then underneath that they've got the carbon fibre heating element, I'll show you, and then they've got the comfort inner lining. So they really do produce wonderful heat, and it is a combination of macro carbon fibre heating element, which is very rugged as well. It has a 2-year warranty on the gloves, and it has an actual lifetime warranty if you register your garment with Keis, a lifetime warranty on the actual heating element, which is good. Battery packs only have a 180-day warranty on them. My only one criticism of the glove would be they don't have a sat-nav finger, and it has been very frustrating because I've used my mobile phone a lot, and sometimes the mobile phone you need to just knock it back till the navigation app. I think for the cost of the garment as well, so the cost was £210 and then 80 quid for the battery, so best part of 300 quid. Yes, it's an investment. The main reason why I got them was last winter season I was riding along, didn't notice how cold I was, how cold my hands were becoming, going about an hour and a half, and there was up ahead, I just needed to slow down, and my fingers were gripping the heater grips on the accelerator, and so the action of extending my 2 fingers out towards the brake and then pulling back on the brake took a lot longer than I expected to extend the fingers, and then when the fingers were coming back, they weren't coming back anywhere near quick enough, and I stopped fine, but it was one of those moments where the adrenaline pushed through the blood into the fingers to finish off the stop, and that's why I bought heated gloves, because I wanted to avoid that sensation and emotional reaction to winter riding.
Taste like chocolate never tasted before.